Do you face this problem very often? No worries, we got a solution. Let's check how you can fix the back rope of your necklace at home. First, take the rope and make a small loop. Then, take a needle, use thread of similar color of the rope. Now, push the needle inside the thickness of the rope. Then, begin wrapping the thread around the loop. Also, after wrapping 2 to 3 times, make a single stitch. This will tighten the cords and you don't have to fix it again any day. Wrap until loose golden threads are covered. Then cut off the extra threads. It's better if you keep this as it is, cause it would save a lot of your time and energy. However, if you wish, you can put a knot, then wrap the other golden strings and beads. Next, take the jump ring, put it inside the loop and inside the end of your necklace. Then press the ring little hard to secure the ends. Voila, it's done. If you found this useful, please drop a heart in the comments and also don't forget to follow us. Ta-da!